All right, let's try this again. Okay, scatter plots, trend lines. Scatter plots are used to compare two sets of data. Okay, so a graph that relates to, deep breaths, two sets of data by displaying them as a graph. No, as points. Sorry, my fault. By displaying them as points. Most scatter plots are in the top right of the coordinate plane because real life data is usually positive numbers, right? And that top right corner of our coordinate plane is where we have all that good stuff, right? All right. This is bad. So bad. Yeah, I'm trying to find it. Maybe. Kind of feel bad for me. All right, scatter plots are used to find correlations. Oh, spell it. It's right here. See, right on the next page. C-O-R-R-E-L-A-A-T-I-O-N. Okay, a correlation is the relationship between two variables. All right, so there's positive correlation, negative correlation, and zero correlation. Okay, once we plot all our points and it's rising, okay, positive correlation is when it increases. Yeah, write that down, you can. I'm just trying to, I know, it's going to be a really bad recording. Sorry, Violet. Okay, so when it's increasing, so an example of a positive correlation would be time spent studying increases, so do your test scores. The more you study, the more you do your homework, the better grades you get. Crazy, I know, right? Okay, negative correlation is when it decreases, yep. Okay, when the altitude in the sky increases, the pressure you feel decreases. I have no idea what that means. Meanwhile. Okay, and zero correlation is just when they're scattered all over the place. Okay, there's probably no correlation between the amount of peanut butter consumed and the score on your ACT. I know. Weird, huh? Yeah, I doubt it. All right, we're skipping all that stuff. Keep skipping. Keep skipping. All right, it gives us age and body length of a panda. Awesome. Okay, so all we have to do to make a scatter plot is plot these things. Okay? If time is one of your variables, time always goes on the bottom. So do we have time? Kind of. We have age, right? Which correlates to time. So we've got age on the bottom. Please work for once in your life. What? Good story. Okay, so Age on the bottom. What's that put over here? Body length. So biggest thing that you have to do when we make these is decide on a scale. Okay? If we're doing age, what should our scale be? Like, how much should I go up by? What would make sense? Probably ones, because if I do fives, I've got 5 and then 10, and then I don't have any of that, right? So let's go up by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Body length, should we go up by ones? Yeah, it's going to be crappy to go up by ones because we got to go all the way to 29. We don't have that much room, right? So let's go up by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Alright, so at age 1 month, how long is my panda? 8 inches. So 1, 8. 8's a little bit below the 10. At 2, it's 11.75, so it's a little bit above the 10. 3 is 15.5, so over 3, right at about the 15. 4 is 16.7. 5 is 20.1. Well, you guys, you have it on your paper. 6 is 22.2. Ooh, and then it skips 7. So skip 7, you gotta go to 8. It's 26.5. And 9 is 29. I think so. Okay, now, what kind of correlation does this have? It has a positive correlation because it's going up, right? We don't need it right now. We're going to talk a little bit more about that next hour because we're going to find the line that fits it, and then we're going to be able to plug it in and all that good stuff and find it. So, yeah, we're not doing that this hour. Next hour. Okay, this hour, all we're going to be doing is making our scatter plots and telling what our correlation is. Well, what was our correlation here? No. Positive correlation because it's increasing, it's going up. Okay? Nothing major, right? How do I get out of here?